All right, so I mentioned one of our platinum sponsors is SAIC, and we're excited to have Nick Livigne from SAIC here to share a little bit about what SAIC is doing in the area of clean energy and sustainability. So while the final four are getting ready, please help me welcome Nick.
Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. My name is Nick Livigne, Sustainability Program Lead for SAIC. Really excited to be here. This is a great competition. I had a chance to be at the dinner last night, and those technologies, they're really cool. Guys, my phone is dead. Do you have something for me? My phone, it's a little bit dead. So I want to get one of those jewel cases at some point. That'd be great. Extend the life of my battery. So thanks again. Oh, you have one? Great. SAIC's employees they donate a lot of their time and talents to help engage and educate students in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we're excited to extend that commitment to this event today, which really represents the best and brightest of higher education and clean energy. So congratulations to the 4 finalists, and best of luck in the next round. Which one is it? Got it. Perfect. All right, so SAIC, we're traditionally known as a defense contractor, but we have a diverse portfolio of solutions that we provide. We're a science and technology applications company, and the problems that we help to solve are of vital importance to the nation and to the world. So these big blue arrows, as we like to call them, are our 4 strategic growth areas. I guess it's kind of hard to read from there, but it's energy, environment, and infrastructure, health and life sciences, technical and IT-based services and solutions, cybersecurity, and national security. We've made a significant bet on energy, and specifically clean energy. Our customers come to us with complex problems in energy and sustainability, and we provide smart solutions that are both economical and sustainable. We've invested hundreds of millions of dollars to position ourselves within this market, and we take a systems approach to energy. So throughout the energy life cycle, we provide solutions from getting energy out of the ground, helping energy companies do that, converting renewable sources to usable energy, and demand-side management at its end use. Over the last several years, we've acquired companies such as Benham, R.W. Beck, and Patrick Engineering, and consolidated them into a wholly owned subsidiary called SAIC Energy, Environment, and Infrastructure to help position ourselves within that market, strengthen our sustainable solution offerings, and the goal of creating a material business in energy within the company. So I just want to show you a quick video from our Group President of Health, Energy, and Civil Solutions, and he's going to talk a little bit about sustainability.
I've been in the company 23 years. What I value in the company is what we work on. We work on things that are national importance, that have an impact on our world. Sustainability is one of those projects. Frankly, our impact on the environment directly impacts the world, and frankly impacts our kids. And I'm proud to be involved in something that has that impact. In the world we live in today, everyone's trying to get a competitive edge. One of those edges is being more efficient. Sustainable organizations, sustainable projects tend to be more efficient, safer, and more cost-effective. For our customers, anywhere from the Department of Defense, who are trying to reduce the energy usage in the battlefield, sustainability reduces energy usage, reduces the cost of logistics and transportation, and has an impact. For commercial clients, they're looking for that commercial competitive edge. They want to provide a solution in an effective way that has minimal impacts.
All right, great. So Mr. Craver talked about the national and global importance of our work. Our largest customer, the United States government, and specifically the Department of Defense, is the #1 user of energy in the world. So it's very important to them to control their energy and reduce their energy demand, as well as provide some safe and reliable sources in the battlefield. For example, in the Afghanistan theater, fuel supply is not only extremely costly, the convoys that supply that fuel are highly vulnerable to attack. and contribute to the loss of our most precious resource, American lives. So it's a critical issue for them, and we're helping them solve those problems. Companies across the world have embraced sustainability because it makes good business sense, and SAIC is one of those companies. As Sustainability Program Lead, it's my responsibility to improve the operational efficiency of SAIC and the buildings that we own and occupy, our vehicle fleet, and our operations across the world. To show that commitment, we've created a greenhouse gas reduction goal of 25% from the year 2010 to 2020. So over that time, absolutely reduce our emissions by 25%. Now, to help us meet that goal, we're tapping into the over 6,000 talented employees in the Energy, Environment, and Infrastructure business unit. So the innovative solutions and technologies that they offer to their customers are being applied internally to our own operations. So, for example, among many other projects that we're working on, proprietary advanced energy metering and monitoring technology has been installed in several of our major campus locations to help us run our facilities optimally and identify opportunities for continuous improvement. SAIC sees a multifaceted future for clean and renewable energy, and we must strive to develop technologies that harness the Earth's solar, wind, wave, and thermal energy, as well as biomass. Clean natural gas will also play a large role in bridging the gaps in current renewable technologies. Really, an all-of-the-above strategy is needed to decarbonize our economy and meet our increasing global energy demand. So now let me show you just a few SAIC projects that are helping proliferate clean energy in America. So this project here is the Plainfield Renewable Energy Plant in Plainfield, Connecticut. SAIC partnered with Carlyle Group to help finance this $225 million project. It's a biomass facility, and in addition to helping finance the project, SAIC will provide engineering, procurement, and construction services, which will create a plant that is 37.5 megawatts of clean energy to help power the equivalent of 37,000 homes. Now, the plant will be run on wood byproducts from other industrial processes such as construction debris, pallets, and land clearing materials to help fire a condensing steam turbine generator. Now, to add to the sustainability credentials of this site, the 27-acre location is on a brownfield that was previously cleaned up as part of the EPA's Superfund program. This next project here is the San Emedio geothermal plant in Nevada. SAIC has been contracted by U.S. Geothermal to repower and expand an existing geothermal plant from 3.5 to 11.5 megawatts. It utilizes a closed-loop turbo expander that actually keeps the geothermal fluid separate from the vaporized fluid, which ultimately drives the generator. Now, this creates an environmentally friendly power cycle that creates zero greenhouse gas emissions, a truly environmentally friendly solution. So we chose these two projects to show you because geothermal and biomass provide 24/7 baseload electricity and are a stable solution for the current electrical grid. Solar and wind are also very important, but must be supported by energy storage and batteries to continue to improve their viability. And we saw a lot of emphasis on batteries last night in the presentations, and that's great that you guys are focusing on that. The natural variability of solar and wind requires specialized systems to ensure that supply meets demand. This is where the smart grid comes in. So SAIC sees the smart grid as a robust, as an integrated electrical transmission and distribution network that utilizes robust two-way communications, advanced sensing, and distributed computing technology to help improve the efficiency and reliability of the grid. So all these advanced meters and sensors are spitting out lots of data every day, and they must be collected and analyzed, and this presents a serious challenge. So large organizations need to exploit this big data phenomenon to take full advantage of advanced technology. Just a quick stat for you, according to MIT Sloan experts, any 2 days this year will produce more business data than all of the business data that was produced before 2003. So that's a lot of data that we need to have tools to sort through and analyze, and technical experts to understand the implications. So accordingly, SAIC has entered into a strategic alliance with a company called C3. This relationship leverages the capabilities of both companies to provide a comprehensive energy management solution. C3's energy and carbon management platform fully integrates with all levels of sustainability data to provide an enterprise view of energy consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, and other key environmental indicators. This allows organizations to fully visualize their impact, make use projections, and identify and manage continuous improvement projects. We've applied this technology to our own operations, and we're using it to help meet our greenhouse gas reduction goal and understand how the data impacts that goal. So using this big data management tool as a platform, SAIC is applying its life cycle energy offering to help our customers execute complex energy and carbon management strategies. As clean technology continues to mature, you can count on SAIC being at the forefront of research, development, and execution. And we pride ourselves on bridging technologies from concepts to solutions. And we hope someday to see the technologies that have been presented today and yesterday in the future of clean energy. So once again, congratulations to the finalists and all of the Elite 8 plus 2, and good luck on the next round. Thank you very much.